Hello sir, this is Gulbaz Bhatti, team captain of Team Ecoptimus, and we are here for technical inspection round. And here is our faculty advisor, Professor Rahul Makwana sir. He will be inspecting our vehicle for further inspection. I would like to call sir to proceed.
What is your material of frame?
Sir, we have used AISI 202 material.
AISI 202. Sir, it is stainless steel. 202.
Yes sir.
It is stainless steel and used for structural purposes only. No sir, there are too many applications. Okay. And fuse and circuit breaker. Sir, we are using fuse. Which type?
Sir, fuse wire we are using. Okay. Yes sir. Fuse wire we are using for breaking the circuit.
Okay. Sir, it is not clear.
Okay.
What is your wheelbase? So wheelbase is about sir 42 inches. Yes.
Sir, wheelbase is about 42 inches.
42 inches.
Yes sir, 42 inches. From axle, front axle to rear axle.
Okay. इस तरफ रहेगा 42 इंच रहे. Focus.
Okay.
Now. Okay.
Track width.
Your wheelbase is 42 inches. Yes sir. And track width is? Sir, track width
So
is.
track width is about 38 inches.
Okay. 38 inches. Okay. And ground clearance?
So ground clearance should be from the lowermost part of our vehicle, which is our disc brake, and the ground clearance from disc brake to the ground is about 3 inches.
3 inches.
Yes sir.
And suspension type is not.
Sir, suspension we are not using because the vehicle will run on a plain road, so there is no need of suspension here.
Okay. Wheel size is?
Sir, wheel size.
Sir,
Sir,
rim
15
size.
inches.
Rim size is 9 inch.
9 inches.
9 inches.
Rim is 9 inches.
And our outer diameter of wheel is 15 inch. Outer diameter is
15 inch.
Okay. Running radius of our tire. And steering stop is?
Sir, here is steering stop.
Here is your steering stops. These are the two bars which will prevent
Stop.
steering from further movement. Okay. Okay. Yes. And brakes? So
Sir, we are using a disc brake. This is our disc brake.
Sir, there will be a support structure on which it will be mounted. Okay. And there will be a fluid line. That fluid line will come here.
And
This is a master cylinder.
And
this
there
is
is
the master cylinder we are using. We'll mount it over here
okay.
on opposite
the
direction.
Opposite direction.
So that we will push the pedal over here and this will push the push rod. And
the fluid will be
transferred to there.
Okay. And brake light is?
Sir, we will be using the brake light with the help of a brake switch.
Is there any handbrake? Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yes, sir.
There will be another actuation of this mechanism over here. So that driver will. And which point is? Sir,
So each point we will mount on our bumper. But right now we have not.
we have not installed our bumpers yet. Okay. What is the cost of this vehicle?
So it will be around 55,000.
55,000. Yes, sir. And powertrain visibility?
Sir, powertrain.
There will be complete visibility of powertrain. We are going to mount a motor here, over here, just close to the seat. Okay. And it will face opposite to the direction of disc, so that the balancing is achieved.
It will be run by belt rack. Here we will mount the driven pulley, and here will be the driving pulley.
Okay.
Driving pulley with the help of key, we will mount it here.
Okay.
We mount it here.
And we are using V-belt.
V-belt
And it will
drive.
be completely visible from there.
Completely visible.
Okay. And where is your impact absorber bumper?
So impact absorber bumper will be
They
on
are
the
ready.
sideways.
We are from
We will install, yes sir.
This
We
side
will
and
install
this
on the
side.
sideways, front and back, and on both the sides.
But sir, it
It is under construction, ready, but just
Just we have to install it.
Okay. And what is your team logo?
Sir, team logo we will mount here over the fairing.
What is it?
Sir, it is the part of a. It will be with bumper, and it will cover the steering column.
Okay.
And it is a flat cover that on which we will mount the EcoPart logo and our team logo.
And the rear view mirror.
So they will be also installed on the
With it. Kill switch.
Sir, kill switch, we are using a push type kill switch. And
Okay. Dash fuel gauge.
Sir, for dash fuel gauge, we will be using a voltmeter of range 50 volt and DC voltmeter we will be using.
It is
Right now we are not having it, but we will have it.
And where is your motors?
sir,
Motor. So this is our BLDC motor.
BLDC.
Maximum RPM 3000, which will be on 48 volt. Means we will use all 4 batteries for making a 48 volt and for 3000 RPM. And we are using 2 modes.
Okay.
One is high speed mode and one is normal mode. On normal mode it will run on 24 volt and around 22 to 2300 RPM. On high speed mode it will run on 3000 RPM and on 48 volts.
controller inbuilt.
It has inbuilt controller and this is the throttler for speed control.
And where are the batteries? These are the batteries.
So these are the batteries. One battery is of each battery is of 35 ampere hour and 12 volt. And we are using 4 batteries.
4 batteries.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And safety.
Sir, we are using seat belt, 3-point seat belt.
So for safety purpose, we are also using
Powder type.
powder type fire extinguisher.
Powder type.
Yes, sir. It is. It is of ABC type and
1 kilo.
it is ISI marked, sir.
Okay. And seat belt is there after you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
complete
Seat
this
belt.
duty. Okay. Fire extinguisher is there. C type.
ABC type.
ABC type fire extinguisher.
And wire path labeling after.
So we have not done yet. We will be doing it
Install
later.
the electrical system, then we will do.
Is there any battery cover installation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will mount batteries here with the cover and insulator also.
Okay. And positive total stop.
Sir, when we will mount the accelerator pedal, then with that only.
Okay. And documentations.
Sir, documentations are ready. All the papers are ready. Just we have to submit.
Can I click?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Cost reports and
cost report and all that is complete, sir.
Okay. Material identifications.
Sir, material identification, sir. AI side
202.
and
It is
also
of
okay.
sir.
shaft is also EN net.
Bills.
Bills are with
Bills are with us.
bills
All the bills.
of
And the
every
report. Final report.
final design report is
After
ready.
completion
Yes,
of
sir.
your vehicle.
Ready with us.
Okay. Solid bud flex is there or not?
Sir, we will make it when we will go to the dynamic round.
Okay. Any other?
Yes, sir.
Any other innovation is there in your
Yes,
vehicle?
yes, sir. First of all, we will using a battery arrangement such that when two batteries we will be using for driving the motor, the other 2 batteries will be
Charging.
batteries will be charging. Means 2 will be discharging and 2 will be charging. Simultaneously working will be there. We are also using a alternator for charging the other 2 batteries. And we are using a seat
Charging
belt.
and discharging are simultaneously
Yes, sir.
done there.
We are using
Seat belt.
सीट बेल्ट इनोवेशन जब तक सर हमारी सीट बेल्ट नहीं लगेगा तब तक गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं होगी
Okay.
एंड ऑल्सो थर्मोस्टेट वी आर ऑल्सो यूजिंग
On a particular temperature range, it will cut off the electric circuit. And sir,
स्टीयरिंग
Steering type क्या है आपका?
सर प्रो एकरमैन टाइप स्टीयरिंग है
Ackermann.
Column and lever type.
प्रो
Pro Ackermann geometry को follow करता है.
Okay.
sir, आप मतलब 50%.
वेट
What is your weight of your vehicle?
Sir, it will be calculated after the whole vehicle.
Sir, assume the weight is around 150 kgs.
With driver.
With driver.
With driver.
Or other than driver. What is the weight of your driver?
Sir,
56, 57.
56, 57.
Approximately.
So it will be around 90 to 100 our vehicle weight.
Okay.